Today I will show you how I make chicken and rice in my Tefal Cook4Me. It's quick, simple and perfect for a busy day. Even though I'm using Tefal Cook4Me, this recipe should work in most electric pressure cookers with similar cooking times. This is one of my favorite quick meals and I've adapted it to my own taste. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to read the list, and you'll also find the complete recipe in the description below. I've already prepared some of the ingredients to keep the video short and easy to follow. The onion and the carrot are finely diced and the chicken is cut into bite-sized pieces. Now let's do the rest together. First, I will pour 2.5 cups of water into my electric kettle and bring it to a boil. Using an electric kettle saves a lot of time because the water is already boiling when it's added to the cooker. Next, I will measure the rice. I need 1 cup of basmati rice and I'll put it straight into the rice strainer so it's ready to rinse. Now let's prepare the seasonings. I'll need 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of grounded turmeric. It gives the rice a beautiful golden color, and the black pepper may help your body absorb the turmeric more effectively. Once the vegetables are chopped and the meat is cut into bite-sized pieces, everything else is ready. The preparation takes no more than about 15 minutes. Select the browning program and let the cooker preheat. Meanwhile, I will rinse the rice. Add the oil and saute the diced onion for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the diced carrot and continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, stirring from time to time. Add the chicken pieces and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes, just until they turn white. As you can see on the cooker, the total sautéing time is about 8 minutes. Add the seasonings, the hot water, and the rinsed basmati rice, then stir everything together. Close the lid and pressure cook for 8 minutes. My Cook4Me releases the pressure automatically, so I simply wait until the display tells me it's safe to open the lid. When you open the lid, you will notice a small amount of liquid remaining. That's perfectly normal. I like to gently separate the rice into portions using a spatula. If you're serving it as it is, let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. During that time, the rice will absorb the remaining liquid. If you have the Tefal extra crisp lid, you can use it now instead. I like to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes just to lightly brown the top. This step is completely optional. Finally, sprinkle some dried parsley over the top and enjoy. If you decide to make this recipe, I would love to hear how it turned out. Thanks for watching.